So you've just moved into a new place and you're not sure if your existing doors and trims have water-based or oil-based enamel on them, but you know that you'd prefer to use water-based. It's really important that you find out exactly what's on there because water-based products won't stick to an existing enamel. So a really easy way to test that is to get some methylated spirits, put it on a rag, and then we know that this sample here is oil-based. So if we rub it on here and nothing has come off onto the rag, it's oil-based because the Metho won't move the oil-based product. So in this case, you would need to prime it before you use a water-based product. But on a water-based product, if you see that it has come off onto your rag, you know that it is an existing water-based product and you're right to go straight on with your new water-based top coat.